So this is the second version of this video because my first draft made it sound too much like this was going to be an edutainment channel. It's not going to be that. That's way too much work. What I plan for this to be is pretty much just a log of what I've done over the course of this project to be produced alongside the project as it goes along. The point of this project is to build what I hope will become a series of terrariums, starting with basically whatever I've got on hand and working up to larger, more complicated, and more sophisticated environments. The objective is to figure out what does and doesn't produce a self-sustaining artificial microecosystem. Through this, I hope to identify common problems and causes of collapse and the remedies, and eventually to put that knowledge to use in the construction of some larger terrarium projects. When I build or experiment with things, I usually don't document my work very well, so I'm hoping that these videos will help out with that. The videos will serve as a documentation of both what was planned and what was done, and perhaps some of the philosophy or theory behind those actions. Ultimately, the objective would be some sort of huge sealed habitat capable of supporting a human population, similar to the Biosphere 2 project from the early 1990s. This is just an objective to aim for and not something that I actually expect to achieve. The project itself is open-ended. I'm just going to keep iterating on these terrariums and see what I get. But having an objective to aim for will hopefully help guide the project and perhaps to help it to achieve something more notable than simply making random terrariums would. We're going to start out with small and simple ecosystems in old jars that I have lying around, and hopefully over time and with multiple iterations we'll build up to something bigger and more interesting. If that sounds like something you're interested in, feel free to stick around and watch these videos to see how it all works out. If it's not something you're interested in, then this probably isn't the channel for you.